I'm Nicole Macias, and I'm a certified Matterport service partner and residential and commercial realtor. And I'm here to tell you about the summer sale for my Matterport 3D virtual tour business. From now until September 1st, I'll be offering the complete 24/7 virtual open house package, which includes an immersive VR house tour, still shots, dollhouse, 360 view, GIF, and 2 short fly-through videos, all for less than other companies charge for individual services. And if you're only interested in a Matterport 360 tour with no extras, we can do that too for a reduced price. So, if you want to step into the future and teleport your clients to all your listings, don't hesitate to email me at nicoles3dvt@gmail.com or go to my website at nicoles3dvirtualtours.com for more information or to set up an appointment. Nicole's 3D Virtual Tours, serving all of Southern California.